Hi, we are team number 23 and we have decided to create a simple game called Gumball Rush and jMonkey engine. And for the first sprint, we have divided the learning phase into four different categories, mainly Nifty UI, landscape and terrains, obstacles, effects, and physics engine.
So this is the code for Nifty GUI. Nifty GUIs can be built using XML or Java syntax. Here I have built the basic static user interface layout using XML. As you can see, the two screens, screen 1 and screen 2. The main Java code has functions like from XML, add XML to load XML files containing Nifty GUI screens. So as we run the code, we see that the main screen has three panels. The first panel, which contains the game title, the second panel containing the start button, and the third panel containing the quit button. If we quit, the game terminates, but if we click on start, sound control has been handled and it goes to the second screen, which is the HUD screen that has this main panel, the black colored panel, in which the complete integrated game would run after we are done with it in sprint 2. And this panel will display the score, and two buttons have also been added, pause and resume, to make the game more user friendly and interactive.
So now we're gonna show terrain and the water body. So I'll just select the resolution and continue. So this is the water body which I've created using simple water processor, and I've used flycam using which we can use just keyboard to go up and down. So I'll just go down under the water. So this is like we are under the water body, we can move just left and right using keyboard. I'll just come up again. This is the terrain. I have used couple of textures. One is grass, one is road texture, and I put this fire particle effect on the road. This is one gumball. We can have a high level view of it. We'll just see how it looks. Yeah.
Hi, so I am in charge of making the obstacles to be populated on the racetrack that the race car has to dodge. I have made three kinds of obstacles here: a human shape, a brick wall, and a textured sphere. So the human shape comes out of the basic jMonkey engine tutorial. It's a human mesh that I have applied. When you press a space bar on it, the human starts walking. This can be used as a walking human obstacle on the racetrack. The second shape that I've made is a brick wall, which is a standard brick wall coming in from the jMonkey engine tutorial that I have made small changes to. Like this. And the third is a textured sphere. It is a basic sphere shape from jMonkey engine that I've applied materials and textures to. It can probably be used as a bouncing sphere or a falling sphere in the actual game. So that's it with the obstacles.
Hi, as part of Sprint 1, I tried to learn and implement the simple physics engine of the jMonkey. Here we are using bullet abstract, which is class provided by jMonkey engine, which is responsible for all the physics property like collision and the center of gravity and the controls of the physics object. So whatever the physics world is you can implement in your game, it is provided by this bullet abstract class. So in this sample project, I just created one simple terrain, put some obstacles in it, and create a setup, the controls for the vehicles, and then creating the player. So this is a simple terrain part, so we'll skip that. Setup keys, and that is for the car that we are going to develop, and we have put some controls and add the listeners. Same way, build player will build the car. So our car like object would be a rectangular box which has four wheels. So this is node 1, node 2, node 3, node 5 that are attached to the physics, and there are some libraries given by bullet f state, so by which we can decide the build direction, axial, and other physics property like stiffness. And so we'll see by running the code. So this is our car like object. I'm trying to control it through, yeah, now as you can see, we can accelerate, brake, turn right, turn left. These are the obstacles. This is the physics property I was talking about, that we have implemented through that bullet abstract. So you can see the center of gravity portion under that box. So we can set that center of gravity to anywhere inside that box. So accordingly, all the physics law will be applied. Yeah. This is our easy backlog snapshot where we have created some user stories and decided some acceptance criteria. This is our taskboard snapshot. This is a burn down chart. In the first 1 2 weeks, we have not been up to the mark, but after that, we have tried to cover up the thing and we were able to complete in the time. This is our can board snapshot. I don't know why it is coming black, but on the right side hand side, it was a completed task, and almost all the tasks that we have decided to do in the sprint one as a learning phase, we were able to complete within time. Yeah, thank you.